everyone, it's Darla. Welcome to my channel, Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. This channel is mainly about crochet and yarn, but I do some fairy gardens and greeting cards and things like that every now and then. Since it's spring, I'll probably do another fairy garden, a video, a tutorial type thing in the near future. All right, so today we are talking about hashtag Scorched Earth Challenge. Sorry, I'm involved in a couple of hashtags right now. So it was created by the lovely Dana from Dana's Wanderlust Crochet. Hi Dana, and hi Dooley. Dooley is her handsome puppy dog. Yeah. So I'm gonna put a picture very soon into this video, and the hashtag is to use up yarn you've had sitting around for a long time, just sitting there, just to use it up between March 1st 2021 and March 1st 2022. You can give it away, you can make something with it, crochet or knit or whatever else fiber art you do. You can donate it. Also, you can do a yarn swap, because I did that with some of mine, so there'll be a video about that. I'm hoping this week that the box from the lovely YouTuber that I did the yarn swap with will arrive this week, hopefully. All right, so what yarn did I use? Well, let me show you the picture here of the yarn that I'm going to be using up in the next year. And I think this is a great idea, because sometimes, you know, we buy yarn and we think, oh, I love this yarn so much, I can't wait to work with it. And then, I don't know, it ends up sitting there, and I don't know why that is. Maybe you get another order of yarn, you think, oh my goodness, I'm gonna use this one, I'll use the other one later, and it doesn't happen. Or you're too busy. Oh, a lot of us are so busy. So when Dana came up with this this hashtag, I thought this is awesome, because then it makes us accountable if we want to join, because then we make a video, and then, you know, people may be asking, hey, what are you doing with that yarn? You said you were going to do something with it. Oh yeah. So I have made something with one of the skeins of yarn, which is this. I made this. It's my own tutorial, actually, so I'll put the link to that below if you haven't seen it. I put it up last week. Anyway, so yeah, it's sparkly. I don't know if you can see. Oh yeah, maybe you can see the sparkles. Anyway, so this is one of the yarns, and it is by Hobie. And it's the Universe yarn, 98% acrylic, 2% polyester. There's gorgeous colors in there. To me, it looks more greenish, like a turquoisey kind of blue, but it's gorgeous. So it is 100 grams. There are 505 yards. I used the whole skein for this. I'll show you the back in a minute. It's a super one fine, they say. It has a tiny bit of a halo, so it's a little bit, you know, if you have to frog, it's a little, you gotta work at it just a little, but it's not bad at all, I don't think. Let's see what else. It recommended a 3.5 millimeter. I actually used a 4, and then I went up to a 4.5. So, and the colorway is just number 2. But I think it's gorgeous, and I used one of these skeins to make this. So I no longer have it in a ball. It is actually in an item, wearable. So this is the front like you saw, and then the back of it is like this. So, and I have 2 more balls. This one, it will be going in a giveaway. As soon as I hit 3,000, guys, I'm so excited. You guys are awesome. All right, so this one will go in the giveaway. So watch for that giveaway. Watch for my numbers to get to 3,000. You know, I'm just excited, and I just thank you all, and I appreciate you all so much. I mean, I must be doing something right to be at that number. Alrighty then. Thank you. All right, so yeah, so I used one ball, and this ball is going in the giveaway. Another ball is I actually started working with it, and I doubled it and started making something. So that one's in the works. Yeah. So here are the pictures of the yarn that I'm trying to deal with, and the ones that I have dealt with are crossed off. And so that's it. That's it. But make sure you go check out Dana at Wanderlust Crochet. Like I said, I'll put her link below. Actually, I'll put her video below where she's talking about the hashtag. Anybody can join, as far as I know. Like, why not? And yeah, and it's just, you know, click on that hashtag, go to their channels, check them out. You know, if you like them, please subscribe. That would be great. All right, so I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you guys very, very soon. Have a wonderful day.